Where are we at?
We're at Great Wolf Lodge!
Did you cheat to get to 48 inches?
No, I did not.
You didn't cheat.
I'm still alive!
Out of 10, what would you give Great Wolf Lodge?
8.5.
8.5 out of 10 so far.
I love it.
What would you give Great Wolf Lodge out of 10?
It depends on the wave pool.
Depends on the wave pool?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out. You ready to go?
Yes. Let's go!
Andrew, out of 10, how would you rate your overall experience at Great Wolf Lodge?
Okay. 58.
58 out of 10. Seems like a weird number. Okay, we're out of here.
Bye guys! Make sure to like and subscribe.